गाड़ी से बाहर निकल जाए, जल्दी बाहर निकल, फोन करो, सोनापुर रास्ता रखो। हाँ ड्राइवर चला है, हड़काओ, इसका चलान काटो तो चलो, इसको चलान काटो। जवानी में तो क्या हो गया, एडमिट फोटो खींच लो। Series of traffic enforcement drives which we are doing since last 2-3 weeks. Today we selected the Byrnihat to Jorabat sector of NH-6, in which a common complaint is there from all and sundry in Meghalaya, including general public, the bureaucracy, the police officers, the political executive. Everyone says and points out that because these trucks are illegally parked on the highway and they are blocking almost more than half of one lane of the highway, a lot of vehicles get stuck. The road is free in the backside and in the front, but this small stretch of roughly 5 to 7 kilometers, this gets blocked and choked because of these illegally parked trucks. The main reason is there is a no entry being enforced in Guwahati since morning till evening, and that is the reason why trucks are parked here. So we have found a temporary solution. We are telling these trucks to move to Sonapur road because there is no much traffic, no much population in that road. So they can take a turn below the Jorabat flyover and park their vehicles in the Sonapur side of National Highway. So this will relieve us from congestion on Meghalaya side and remove the bottleneck. Along with the illegal truck parking, we were also checking for the cases of people not wearing helmets and not wearing seat belts, drunken driving and all. So we are still continuing this. We managed to remove almost 70% of the trucks which were parked there. Some trucks were broken, they were getting repaired, so we could not remove them. But again, we'll send our patrolling teams every roughly 1 hour, 2 hour to check. And this drive will continue for next 5 to 6 days, at least minimum 4-5 times a day by combined teams of various units of Ri Bhoi Police. And it is our request also and a direction also, especially to the HMV drivers, do not park on national highways between the two white lines which you see. The line has to be kept free for normal traffic. When you are driving your vehicles, many drivers we see they are blocking the overtaking lane, the right lane, which is absolutely wrong and illegal. So drive on the left lane, drive slowly, don't overspeed, and do not park your vehicles between those white lines. We'll be very harsh, very severe, will not listen to any excuse. If we find your truck being parked between those white lines, we will issue challan. First challan will be a smaller amount, subsequent challans will be bigger amounts as per law. Every subsequent offense, the fine amount goes up. So we don't want to harass you, we don't want to cause you financial loss, but if you don't follow the traffic rules, we have no option left, because ultimately life takes precedence over everything else.